Russian Spacewalk 51 will be conducted by Anton Shkaplerov, EV-1 in the red stripes, and Pyotr Dubrov, EV-2 in the blue stripes. After egressing from Poisk with the EVA bundle, EV-1 will translate to the Strela operator's post, where he'll maneuver EV-2 to the Nauka module, also known as MLM. EV-1 will egress the operator's post and translate the EVA bundle Nadir to EV-2. Both crew will translate along the Nauka handrails to the newly installed Russian node module, where they'll be performing most of their work for the spacewalk. When they arrive at the node module, crew will split the EVA bundle and work to install the first shortcut handrail. After, EV-2 will translate to connector patch panel 26. EV-1 will place the course P cables and cable clamps and hand the connectors to EV-2 for mating. After handing off the course P cables, Anton will mate patch panel 2 connectors 1, 2, and 3 to the unused connector panel. They'll then mate patch panel 1 course P cables. Anton will then move on to install AR-VKA, and Pyotr will install AO-VKA. These are two antennas located on the Nadir side of the node module. EV-1 then translate to the Nauka node interface, where he'll mate and route the TV cable between the two modules. Meanwhile, Pyotr will remove the TV camera from its current port. Anton then translates to the Nadir side of the node, where he'll install the docking monitoring target and docking target for future visiting vehicles. Pyotr will complete the reinstallation of the TV camera at its new location. EV-1 starts the first round of jettisons with 2 empty containers and the AO-VKA antenna cover. Meanwhile, Russian ground personnel will perform a course hardware test and a TV camera connectivity checkout. After Anton is complete with the jettison, he'll proceed to remove a floodlight from the node module. Pyotr will continue installing additional load limiters, which help with spacewalk hook operations. Both will meet back up to install another shortcut handrail. They'll then work together to remove 3 antennas that are no longer needed. These antennas will be strategically tossed overboard in the station aft direction. This will be the second and final round of jettisons. Crew will then perform inventories of their tools and begin translating back up Nauka and Strela. They'll arrive back at the airlock on the Poisk module. This is where they'll stow the remaining hardware, finishing Russian Spacewalk 51 with crew ingress and hatch closure.
Subscribe for more space.